The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the filter housing door. You can pry it off with a flathead screwdriver. Slide the filter housing door to the right to disengage the securing tabs from their catch. Remove the filter housing door by sliding the door to the right. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Slide the filter housing door to the left to secure the tabs behind their catch. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.